Let's make an easy and adorable bandana for your pet. Today we're gonna learn how to make a bandana that goes right on your pet's collar. Welcome to the Luli print sewing channel. Let's get started. For the pattern, we only need a square. This one is for a small size, but I'm gonna leave in the description a chart with all the different sizes. I'm using a directional print, so I wanna make sure that I get the last flamingo in the corner, and that's why the template is so useful. I'm also using a lightweight interfacing because my fabric is a cotton, and then this gives it a little bit more weight. To sew our square, we're gonna put the pretty sides together and sew right along the top. So if you have an all-over print or a non-directional fabric, it's just easier. We just start with our square and fold it in half. Also, if you have a heavier fabric, then you can go ahead and skip the step where we use our interfacing. This one is a linen cotton canvas. By sewing the two fabrics together to make our square, we also make our bandana reversible, so I love that. Now we're gonna press the seams and make them flat so they're perfect for the next step. Now, how far we fold this corner is gonna depend on the width of your dog's collar. We have to leave room for the seam allowance and also for the buckle that sometimes is a little bit thicker than the actual collar. We're gonna go ahead and top stitch the folds in place. And also, if you wanna go ahead and put a little bit of glue here on the corners, it's just gonna secure everything in place. Now, with the pretty sides together, we're gonna sew along the edges, making sure that we leave room for our collar to go in and out. Perfect, so to finish our bandana, we're gonna go ahead and top stitch all around. Thank you so much for sewing along. I just love how easy they are to make and really easy to use as well. You just put them in the collar and it looks so pretty. At the end of the video, I show you some of my favorite fabrics that I've designed that I think they will go perfect for these bandanas.